In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the dual sealed cup for the following models. Make sure to unplug the power cord and to close the gas. The step may vary from model to model. Remove the grates. Remove the burners. Unscrew the burner cup from the enameled cooktop. From the back, remove the backsplash and the backplate. Unscrew the back cooktop connection plate. From the front, remove the knobs. Remove the knob rings. Remove the control panel. Remove the control panel holder. Unscrew the front cooktop support from the cooktop. Remove the cooktop. Unscrew the two pipes connected to the burner cup. Disconnect the wire. Remove the burner cup. With the new burner cup, replace it in position. Connect the wire. Rescrew the two pipe on the burner cup. This completes the installation.